Namaste. Welcome to our channel. I am yours Teja. The government is taking a major step towards strengthening power infrastructure by introducing new transmission corridors from Raidurgam in Anantapur district to Sikadinne in Kadapa district. As we can clearly see, new transmission towers are being installed along the Anantapur to Kadapa route. This is the Anantapur Second Resonator Transmission Limited project, which has been awarded by the Ministry of Power, which aims to ensure uninterrupted and reliable electricity supply for the region. An important point to landowners along the corridors that there is absolutely no requirement to transfer or register their lands.
అనంతపురం బ్రిడ్జ్ వారు టవర్ నిలబెట్టినందుకు టవర్ పూజించు కలెక్టర్ గారి తరఫున 2 డీడీలు ఇచ్చారు.
They only need to give permission right of way to install transmission towers in their agriculture fields and also receive good compensation for the same. The district collector is the final authority to determine the compensation for this project under Telegraphic Authority and Electricity Act 1885. Related orders to the land permission and based on the orders passed by the district collector, the company will calculate the compensation value for individual cases and issue DDs directly to the landowners. Many landowners have already started to receive their DDs and supporting the project. There have been some misconceptions among farmers and landowners that the land must be registered or permanently give away. This is completely false. As you can see here, not even a single yard of land is being wasted. Even after the installation of transmission towers, farmers can continue cultivation without any obstructions. Even after the installation of transmission towers, the farmers can continue cultivation without any obstructions. There is no loss to crops and there is no loss of land. Along with the continuing agriculture, farmers can also receive financial compensation for the supporting this project, which plays a key role in maintaining a continuous power supply to the state and the nation. Let us take a close look here. You can see the tower installed safely within the field. The crops are healthy. There is no damages and no wastages of agriculture field. This project is clearly proves that both the development and agriculture can go hand in hand, ensuring uninterrupted electricity while allowing farmers to continue farming. We appeal to all farmers to clear any misunderstandings and extend their support to the national infrastructure project. By permitting tower installation, farmers are contributing to nation building, receiving fair compensation in return. This is step forward where development benefits everyone.